Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys flight mode in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to on guys Samsung phone guys flight mode, so how can you on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we on Samsung phone flight mode setting and after on guys how can we use our Samsung mobile. Open your phone setting and guys you can see guys this type of setting. Friends, click on phone connection and when scroll it, as you can see flight mode setting as you want to on guys you can on from here. So after on guys you can see flight mode is on, you can turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or on again its setting or the quick setting panel. So friends, we can on guys only Wi-Fi and we cannot use guys our phone mobile network setting. As you can see mobile network is off, so we can use guys Wi-Fi setting in flight mode setting. As you want to connect any Wi-Fi network guys, so guys you can connect guys. Wait guys, I will show you guys. So when example for guys, I will select this my Wi-Fi network and I will connect here. Friends, you can see flight mode is on and guys we have connected this Wi-Fi network. Friends, you can see connected. So guys you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on flight mode and how to use it. So bye guys.